Hi, my name is Bill, and today I will be showing you how to replace the screw for your washer's pedestal drawer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we'll open up our pedestal drawer here. So right here we've pulled out the drawer, and there's a hole right there that the slide rail is supposed to actually be screwed into. So you can see it kind of moves out back and forth freely, and if we were missing the screw on the other side, this whole drawer would just come right out. So now grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So what we're going to do, just line up the screw hole here, and then we're going to take a 1/4-inch nut driver with our replacement screw and screw that into place. And then once that's secure, it shouldn't come out anymore. And now you can close up the drawer and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.